Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix microphone not working in Jitsi Meet. So basically what you'll need to do is go and click right here and click on the microphone, make sure it is enabled, click on this little arrow and select your microphone. So as you can see, you'll be able to select allow on every visit, so make sure that is on. And as you can see, I'm speaking right now. I have a lot of microphones right here, but you'll probably will have one or two microphones, so select one of those. And now just click on the X and go right here to the audio settings. So click on this little arrow and choose your microphone. So basically I will choose this one, and now when you unmute, you can see that I'm talking right here. So that should fix your problem. If not, just reconnect your microphone and try it again. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.